In this video, you'll learn how to copy your recovery phrase on Phantom Wallet. This is an important process to ensure you have access to your funds in case you need to recover your wallet. Begin by opening the Phantom extension in your web browser. You can typically find it in the extensions area of your browser, often represented by an icon that resembles. Once the extension is open, locate and click on your profile icon. This is usually positioned in the upper right corner of the Phantom interface. After clicking the profile icon, a menu will appear. From the menu, select the gear icon labeled Settings. This will redirect you to the Settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your wallet's functionality. Next, navigate to the section labeled Security and Privacy. This area contains important options related to the security of your wallet, including your recovery phrase. Click on the option that says Show Secret Recovery Phrase. This will prompt you for your password to ensure that only you can access this sensitive information. After entering your password, you will be able to view your 12-word recovery phrase. It is crucial to keep this phrase secure and private, as anyone with access to it can control your wallet. Make sure to store your recovery phrase in a safe place, such as a password manager or a physical location that is not easily accessible to others. Remember that losing this phrase could result in losing access to your funds permanently. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.